Good morning to all. We are the students. Jignya is a student study project of Department of Commerce, Government Degree College, Java. Our project on awareness on postal savings scheme is studied at Hyderabad. Participation persons are myself and Sai Kumar. Co-participants are Akila, Yasmin, Shravanti, Nikita. Under the supervision of Dr. Ganishek Srinivas, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government Degree College, Hyderabad. Now I am going to give introduction of awareness postal savings scheme. You don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. Martin Luther King. Do not say what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. These two quotations emphasize the importance of saving. According to Warren Buffett, save first from your income. Afterward, remaining balance have to spend. Money makes many things. Without saving, we don't meet our requirements. There are different platforms to savings. Everyone has a question. Where do we save? What is the interest rate will be added? What is the safety of principal amount? Liquidity and investments. For all these questions, post office saving schemes are the best solution. Next, objectives and methodology explained by the article.
Objective of the project. The overall objective is make awareness on postal savings schemes among the people of Hyderabad town. First objective to have and understand the importance of savings. Second objective to understand the different postal savings schemes. Third objective to know the awareness on postal savings schemes among Hyderabad town people. Methodology. Sample size. Sample size is 40. The data collected through well. Designed questionnaire, convenience the sampling technique is collection of data, data collected from primary sources as well as secondary sources, secondary data collected from journals, Google websites, etc. Chapterization. First chapter, need and importance of saving, postal. Second chapter, postal saving deposit schemes. Third chapter, analysis of awareness and postal saving schemes. Fourth chapter, conclusion. Next part will be explained by Yasmin.
I will explain postal deposit scheme interest rate. Name of the postal schemes. Interest rate per annum. Savings scheme 4.0% interest rate per annum. Recurring deposit account 6.7% interest per annum. The next one monthly income scheme 7.4% interest rate per annum. The fourth one is senior citizen account 8.2% interest rate per annum. The fifth one, Sukanya Samruddhi account 8.0% interest per annum. The last one, Kisan Vikas Patra 7.5% interest rate per annum. The next one, explain the
Findings. The study findings as follows. 52.5% respondents have accounts in the post office, remaining to the accounts in the post office. Only 12.5 respondents have awareness on the interest rate of saving accounts in the post office. Only 12.5% respondents have the account in the interest of the rate of. Only 5% of the respondents have the awareness on the interest rate of monthly income scheme. Only 5% of the respondents have the awareness in the monthly interest rate of senior citizen account. Only 12.5% respondents have awareness in interest in the Sukanya Samruddhi account. Below 10% of the respondents have awareness in the interest rate of Kisan Vikas Patra. 50% of the respondents have the saving accounts. 10% of the respondents of Sukanya Samruddhi account. 2.5% of deposit account. Another Kisan Vikas Patra and balance do not have accounts in the post office. The next part explain the
conclusion of the project. Conclusions. Near 50% of the people do not have any account in the post office. Most of the people do not have awareness on the interest rates of different schemes of post offices. Suggestions. Post offices may be given more propaganda of the interest rates of the postal schemes. They may distribute of the brochures of different accounts and their features in their area. Limitations. The study conducted on the town and with sample size of 40 only. The result may be not generalized. Scope for further study. There is much scope for further study of the impact of the different postal schemes.
on the investors' financial planning. How to awareness on postal scheme at divisional level, district level. Thank you.